Hi there guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks very much for joining us again today. I've got a short video for you today that will show you how to make a logo for free using Canva. There's a link in the description for this video that will take you straight through to Canva, and that will allow you to utilize the whole platform for completely free. There are very few restrictions that require the pro version, but yeah, most certainly you can access and do everything, including downloading a final image without a watermark as well. And to do all of that, just click the link in the description below. So luckily for us, it's a template-based system. So whatever you need to make in there, you can either choose from these categories or you can just type it in here. So if you type in the word logo, that will then give you a library of over 60,000 templates associated with that tag. You've got some recommendations at the top, as well as some categories on the left-hand side, which you can utilize to narrow down your search results. Obviously, 60,000 is quite a few to browse. We're not going to do that today in the video. So if we go for something like a visual arts category, that's now given us 145, much more realistic. You can also use the text search function to kind of narrow down that search as well. So the idea is that you find a logo which closest resembles the one that you want, and then you modify that. You click it and then you just hit customize this template, and that will then allow you to change it up completely. You can delete things, you can remove images, replace text, change fonts, and as well, as you can see, when you select things, the tools at the top of the page change and they correspond to whatever you've got selected. Background, for example, you can change the color of it there. The text, then you need to double click to replace it. Okay, so if you highlight it all like that as well, you can kind of replace that with whatever you want. And then if you don't want that, for example, just select it and hit the little bin icon. And as you can see, it's very easy and quick, very intuitive to make quite a professional looking logo very quickly. You've got some tabs here on the left hand side, which are again very self-explanatory. You can upload some images, incorporate some elements from their library of built-in, it's kind of like clip art if you're old enough to remember that. It's kind of like a library of graphics that they've got built into the platform, which are all free to use as well. And once you're happy with the result, you can click share in the top right hand corner and download, and that will give you it as an image file then on whatever device that you're using. That concludes the video tutorial. So like I said, give Canva a go, spend some time on it, and you'll pick it up very quickly. Do that by clicking the link in the description for this video. If you've got any suggestions for future videos or any questions, you can leave them as comments down below as well. And if you've enjoyed the video and you want to see more content of that nature, give us a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks very much.